In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom module in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the main dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. Zoho CRM organizes most administrative tools under the setup area, and that's where we'll be working for this process. Next, click on Setup. This is the section where you can control and configure different parts of your CRM, including automation, customization, user settings, and of course, modules. After opening Setup, look for Modules and Fields, then click into it. This area allows you to manage the structure of the records your team uses every day, such as leads, contacts, deals, and any custom modules you want to build for your own workflow. Once you're in Modules and Fields, click Create New Module. This is the option that lets you build something tailored to your business needs. A custom module is useful when the standard CRM modules don't fully match the type of information you want to track. For example, you may want a module for internal projects, inventory items, service requests, or any other category specific to your process. At this stage, select the Team Modules option and enter your module name. Choose a name that's clear and easy for your team to understand, since this will appear throughout the CRM. Keeping the name simple and descriptive will make the module easier to use later on. After that, you can customize the module. In this section, feel free to drag and drop the fields you need into your module layout. This is where you shape the module to fit your workflow. Add only the fields that are truly useful, so the layout stays clean and easy to complete. A well-organized module helps users save time and keeps your data more consistent. As you customize, think about what information needs to be tracked regularly and what your team will actually use. Drag and drop editing makes it easy to place fields where they make the most sense, so try to arrange them in a logical order that matches how records will be filled out. Once you're done, click Save. Your custom module will then be created and added to your Zoho CRM environment. From there, you can start using it to store and manage the exact type of information your business needs. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom module in Zoho CRM.